Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another toddler learning video. I have literally been scouring Pinterest trying to find new ideas of ways that I can teach Ava new things. When COVID first came about, she was still in school and they were just about to start working on shapes and colors. So I've been trying my best to teach her, but I am no teacher, so it's definitely been difficult, and I had to keep in mind children learn through play. So I'm like, what can I do to keep her engaged and still teach her at the same time? And I do want to apologize if you hear a little bit of noise. Ava is currently playing on the table beside me with her Play-Doh, so please, sorry for that. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Candace and I post videos on beauty, lifestyle, motherhood, and I also do some vlogging. If that sounds like your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. So I found this thing on Pinterest where you basically have different color PVC pipes and the child can put like golf ball sized balls down these tubes, and I thought that would be really cool for Ava to kind of learn her colors. We can do the whole, well, put the ball down the yellow tube and she can find yellow. Which one is green? And she can find green. So I thought that was really cool. The way I saw it on Pinterest was actually on a board that was in the child's playroom. I guess they used like a wooden board or something and they had it kind of plastered to the wall. But Ava does have a playhouse outside, so I thought it would be kind of cool to put hers into her playhouse. So today I'm going to show you all step by step how I created this project and installed it into her playhouse. Today's video is going to be super short and sweet. I just want to show you how I created these pipes and installed them into her playroom. I'm going to take you step by step on how you can do it in case you want to do it for your child as well. So the first thing that I did was go to Home Depot and I got some 2-inch PVC pipes. Now the size of the pipe that you get is very important. It depends on what size ball you're looking for. I knew I wanted to use golf size plastic balls, so I wanted to make sure that the ball could fit down the tube. So after you go ahead and pick up your pipes, you're going to need those little elbow fitting things to go on your PVC pipes. I don't know what they're called, but I'll go ahead and put a picture of them right here. So I already had some acrylic paint at home, so I decided to use that. Say yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow. Yellow. If you're gonna do this project, I definitely recommend using a spray paint. It's a lot easier, it's faster. Yeah, so go that route. Once we painted those, I also painted the brackets as well. I think they're called brackets. I'll put a little picture here of what I'm talking about. I painted those as well because I wanted the entire fixture to be the same color instead of it being silver. So once I painted that, I let everything dry overnight. I ended up having to do 3 coats. And then the next morning, I got a can of clear sealer spray paint. I found the spray paint at Hobby Lobby, and it dries literally like within seconds. So after I sprayed that, I just let that dry for about 15 minutes before actually installing the PVC pipes into her playhouse. All you're gonna need is an electric screwdriver and some screws. So once you found the place you want to put your PVC pipes, all you're going to do is just put the screw through the bracket and literally just screw it through. I hope that makes sense what I'm saying. If not, you can follow along with the video. It should show you exactly what I'm doing here. Just follow along what you see here, and that is how you install it. Once you've screwed in all your pieces, that's it. You're done. The project is complete. All right, guys, so I hope you all enjoyed that video and I hope you found it to be helpful. This really is an easy project. Literally anyone can do it. Hopefully I explained it properly, but if not, just follow along with what you see me doing in the video. Super simple. If you guys decide to do it for your little one, definitely tag me and comment down below. I would love to see how it came out and which colors you guys decided to use. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.